Alright, so this is the 877 innovatek GPS H-screen wide system display. Here you got your main menu, got the navigation, music, movies, ebook, photos, settings. You can change the language. Let's see, screen calibration, time, GPS status, language. You got English, Taiwan, Spanish, French, Netherlands, Portuguese, Italian, Greek, all the languages you need. Got your music right there. You just hit play. Well, already playing. Then you can go back, watch your movie. Let's see this. It's got a great display. The image is really good. Good quality. It's really clear. You can also pop in a CD if you don't want to watch it from your SD card. You do it like this. Put your CD in there and put it back. It's a nice noise you got there. You get your ebook, if you want to read while reading, it's very safe to do. You can also check your photos. You can put them full screen or just zoom on them, then scroll wherever you want. To choose a file is pretty simple. From every menu you just press that little plus button and you can go back. That's the SD card files. And you can choose from either USB, SD card, phone. Alright, so now it's loading Innovatek, which is a Windows CE based application. You can run your games, your movies, your music. You can install the games you want. You can install the programs you want, as long as it runs on Windows CE 4.2. Now you give it a little time, and magic's gonna happen. Boom. Alright, so now I'm gonna watch my favorite movie. So what I want to do is put my movie in, just slide it in, super duper cool. And it's going to go back right where I was last time I watched it. Just give it some time to load. Perfect. That's exactly the scene where I was. I love that movie. Alright, so now guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect this 877 unit to my iPhone with this cable that came in the box. It's a little blurry, but I guess you can see. Basically you just connect it to the back of the unit with this cable. So you just put it in. Push it a little bit. So you take my iPhone, and normally you should automatically see it. Yeah. So iPod. This is the basic menu where you have your artists, albums. You've got your selection menu at the bottom. Let's go down. So I'm going to put the shuffle on, and I'm also going to turn on the repeat for all of my tracks. And I'm going to play some songs, see if it works. That's a Dream On. Let's turn the volume up a bit. Let's see if the shuffle works. Nice. And you can also set the screen angle by pressing these buttons. So you can set it to whatever you want. I don't think a lot of people use it like that, but whatever. And basically when you want to go back, you just press the back button right here. And then you can go back to search by artist or by genre. And yeah, this is the iPod menu.
So basically, I think the 877 is a great unit. If you want to watch movies, play your iPod, play games, I'm pretty sure you'll be as satisfied as I am with it. It's a very great unit, works great, and it's also guaranteed 1 year, so thumbs up.
So last thing I'm going to show you about the iPod menu is how to play a video. It's basically really simple. Just click there, click mode, and now I choose the video on my iPod and I'm going to play a little music video. And you just swing your finger across the screen and normally you should play. Yep, that's it. Just gonna go a little further. As you can see, the image is really clear and the colors are beautiful. If you have a good sound system in your car, it's also going to sound amazing. Right now I'm connected to some PC speakers since I'm doing this at home, so you know, sound isn't that great, but you can still hear it. Alright, so done with this. Last thing I'm going to show you guys around is the GPS software. Alright, so let's find something to do on the GPS. Right now my 877 is hooked up to the GPS 88 box from Innovatek as well, as you can see here. It's got the SD card on the front where I've got all my maps and everything. And I'm gonna do some near car, sports recreation, all recreation, and I'm gonna go there or there, whatever. Alright guys, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try the Bluetooth to be able to receive call and send calls from my 877. So I'll go into the Bluetooth and I'll push inquiring new device on my iPhone. There you can see it says car kit. I'm going to connect to it. So it says pairing start. Ask me for the code. You just press let me see that 000. Okay. Yes, I want to connect automatically to this device, so every time I'll go in my car it'll connect to it. Now I just click on it, connect, okay, yes, and it says OK link right on it. Alright, so I'm gonna test it and try to make a little phone call on my iPhone. So let's see if it'll work. It says send dial. And there I go. I've got my phone call right here. And normally if I answer, my friend should be able to talk with me on my car speakers, which is pretty awesome.